shaking like a bleeding vein. Trying, screaming like a runaway train. Tools in the bag, truth in my stare. I bring salvation to disrepair. Every door I knock is a battleground. Whispers of death in the motor sound. I'm the breakdown messiah, I rise with the flame. From LG to Whirlpool, they all know my name. GG and Samsung, Maytax, Despair. I breathe fire in kitchens and frost in the air. Burning through wires, reviving the dead. I fix what you feel with a wrench and some lead. Beyond the gleam of a stainless lie is a circuit fried and a belt gone dry. Range won't heat, the dishes won't spin, but I'm the demon you call when machines won't win. I face the chaos alone and proud, with the harm of the fuse box screaming loud. Each fuse I tame, each board I test, is a battle cry from the burning west. I'm the breakdown messiah, I conquer the pain. With my multimeter and the soul fortune strain. Electrolux sweet, Bosch bows low. I fix what your fears won't even show. Call me to arms, bring the repair. And homes of the fallen are already there. The rust on my hands, freon in my veins. A soldier of stones in the flood and the flames. Compressor kings, they bow and retreat. The silence with metal and heat. Kitchen, the